Hello kids, this is the explanation video of chapter 6, The Chain of Smiles. Read a story about a girl who created a chain of smiles. One day, Miss Ellis gave her pupils a new assignment, an assignment on happiness. Her pupils would be happiness collectors and were to see what would happen when they try to bring happiness to those around them. Now, children, this is a story about a girl who created a chain of smiles. Okay, her teacher, Miss Ellis, she has given an assignment to the children that they should be happiness collectors and they should make it happen by spreading the happiness, by bringing happiness around them or the people or the world which is around them. They should bring happiness to them. As a part of their assignment, all the students did wonderful things. But what Carla Chalmers did left everyone astonished. Several days after the assignment has been handed out, Carla turned up carrying a big sack. Now, children, when the day comes of submitting the assignment, that day, what happened? Carla brought a big sack to school. Everyone was handing out their assignments to the teacher, and everyone was astonished at the same time by seeing what Carla has brought in that big sack. Here in this bag, I have all the happiness I have collected so far, she said, smiling. Now, she said, by keeping that sack, she said that I have collected all the happiness so far in this sack. On seeing this, everyone was filled with expectation. But Carla did not want to show anyone what is in the sack. Instead, she pulled out a small box and gave it to her teacher. When Miss Ellis had taken the box, Carla took an instant camera out of her pocket and stood with it, ready. Open it, Miss Ellis. Now, what Carla did? She has given a now, at that time, what happened in the class? Everyone was expecting that what is there in the sack. Okay, they are making their estimates that what is there. They are waiting that something special will happen. Carla will open the sack and she will show what she has brought in it. But no, what she did, she handed over a small box to her class teacher, and at the same time she took an instant camera out of her pocket and stood with it ready, and she tell Miss Ellis to open that box. As Miss Ellis opened the box, a big smile shone on her face, and at that moment Carla snapped a photo. Now, what she did when Miss Ellis opened the box, one sweet smile, big smile came on her face. And at that very moment, Carla took a photo of her teacher. Carla's photo popped out of the camera and she offered it to Miss Ellis along with a sheet of paper. Now, what she did, she offered that photo along with a piece of paper to her teacher. The teacher read the paper in silence, and when she had finished, she gestured over at the sack. Now, what teacher did? She read that paper in silence and she saw her photograph, and what she did, she just gestured. Gestured means expressing that she knows, now she has got an idea that what is there in the sack. Oh, so it is. Yes, interrupted Carla, undoing the knot which sealed the sack. It is a great big pile of smiles. Now, Madam said, her teacher said that, oh, so it is. Now she has got an idea now what is there in the sack. At the same time, Carla also said yes, and she just opened the knot of that sealed sack. And what was there? It was a great pile of smiles. She opened the sack and hundreds of photos fell out, all of different smiles, each one of them beautiful. Now, what happened when she has just opened the sack? All photos fell out. And what kind of photos were there? They were all the pictures of smiling faces, different smiles, beautiful smiles, which Carla tried to bring on the faces of people who were around her. Okay, the rest of the class tried to work out how Carla had managed to create such a great big chain of happiness. All there was in the box, all there was in the box was a photo of a big smile. But everyone who had seen it had felt happiness being transmitted to them. In return, without even thinking about it, every person had responded with a smile on their own. With all her classmates now smiling, Carla took a photo of each one of them. Now, children, in this paragraph, what happened? Everyone was astonished and they were thinking that how Carla has managed to do such a great thing, making such a big, great chain of happiness. All there was in the box was a photo of a big smile. Now there was a photo of a big smile, and everyone who has seen it, they all felt the happiness, and the happiness is transmitted and it is given to them, and they have thought about nothing, and they everyone who has seen that picture, they all just smiled, they all responded, they all replied with a smile. And now what happened? Carla took a photo of each one of them. She gave them their own photo along with a slip of paper, which asked them to do the same with other people. They had to then send a copy of the photos to her home address. Now, what Carla did? She has given each and every classmate their own photo with a slip of paper. And what is written on that slip of paper? Yes, that each and every one of them have to bring happiness, have to bring smile on the faces of the people who are around them. And they have to send a copy to Carla's address. And for months afterwards, Carla's postbox was always full to the brim with photos of smiling people. Now, when each and every classmate has sent the copy of the photo of the smiling faces which they have clicked to Carla's address, and now after that, after few months, Carla's postbox was all full. Okay, to the brim. That means it is just completely filled with the photos of smiling people. And so it was that she managed to spread understanding of the simple truth that every time you smile, you are sending a gift to the world. Now, in these lines, we mean that whenever we are smiling, this chapter makes us understand the simple truth that whenever we are smiling, we are just sending a gift to the world. So, children, whenever you see anyone, or whenever you greet anyone, or whenever you meet anyone, just give a smile to them. Okay? So, thank you, children.